All right, welcome back and great to see you again. We are talking about editing and how to create a feeling with your edits. So the first thing is sound, and that includes music. And this is the most critical thing for me. If you get the music wrong, oh my gosh, you can ruin a scene. If you've got really somber music playing over, like, I don't know, someone winning the championships, it gives it such a completely different feel to some really happy upbeat music. And similarly the other way around, if you've got something really sad happening and then you've got some like crazy dark hip hop going, it's probably not going to fit. Your second thing is colour, and I mean that in how you pull out the shadows, the contrast you use, the temperature you use in all those colours and how you grade it. Make sure that if you are trying to portray something dark and dirty, that you colour it dark and dirty. And if you're going for light and fun, colour it light and fun. There's nothing worse than a really harsh, contrasty, dark, nasty edit of a really nice, beautiful love scene. It just doesn't work. So make sure you colour it in the feeling that you're trying to portray. The third thing is pacing. Now, this is the one that I see people getting wrong so often. They'll get really slow drone shots and then put really fast music over the top. You need to like choose the shots that have been taken and work with them with energy, more cuts rather than long drawn out scenes. With those three things in mind, we're going to revisit the intro video that I made with completely different music, different colorings and different pacing to just really show you how even with the same footage you can create such a different feeling and mood. Hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you've liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe if you really want to see the next videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep learning.